Dr. Aris Thorne, a driven astrophysicist haunted by a past failure.
He seeks to validate his controversial theory about ancient celestial alignments and their connection to Earth's energy grids, hoping to restore his shattered reputation.
A journey into the heart of Norway's blue hour, where the ethereal glow of winter reveals an ancient secret that intertwines cosmic phenomena with the very foundations of human history.
The majestic, snow-dusted peaks surrounding Trondheim are bathed in the ethereal glow of the blue hour. The Nidelva River, a ribbon of deep sapphire, winds through the landscape, reflecting the faint light from the sky. Ancient, gnarled trees stand like silent sentinels on its banks.
In the hushed embrace of Norway's winter, where the sun retreats for weeks, a unique magic descends upon the land. It's not darkness, but profound, shimmering blue, a brief, exquisite dance of light and shadow. This is a blue hour, and in the ancient city of Trondheim, it whispers tales of forgotten times.
Dr. Aris Thorne stands on the banks of the Nidelva, his breath misting in the cold air. He holds an old leather-bound journal, its pages filled with intricate diagrams and faded astronomical charts. His gaze is fixed on the river, an almost obsessive focus in his eyes.
For Dr. Aris Thorne, a disgraced astrophysicist, the ethereal light isn't just a natural phenomenon. It's a key, a clue in a cosmic puzzle he's dedicated his life to solving. A puzzle that, if cracked, could redefine our understanding of history and the very energy that flows beneath our feet.
A chaotic press conference, camera flashes blinding. Aris, younger, visibly shaken, is being ridiculed by journalists. A headline, "Thorne's Folly," splashed across a digital screen behind him. He clutches a presentation clicker, his dream crumbling around him. Years ago, Aris presented a theory, a radical hypothesis about celestial alignments influencing ancient Earth energies. It was met with scorn, branded a pseudoscience fantasy. His career, his reputation, shattered.
In present-day Trondheim, Aris meticulously unpacks complex scientific equipment from a rugged case, spectral analyzers, geomagnetic sensors, and a high-resolution drone. His movements are precise, almost ritualistic. But Aris isn't one to surrender. He believed in his research, in the faint signals he detected, signals that led him to this ancient Viking capital. He believed the truth lay hidden, waiting to be revealed by the perfect convergence of time and place.
Solveig Larsson, a local guide, approaches Aris. She's bundled in warm, practical gear, her face framed by a fur-lined hood. She eyes his equipment with a mixture of curiosity and skepticism, a wry smile playing on her lips.
His arrival in Trondheim, however, was not unnoticed. Solveig Larsson, a woman as rooted in the landscape as the ancient stones themselves, was hired to assist. She was pragmatic, resourceful, and entirely unimpressed by academic grandstanding.
Aris gestures towards a map, pointing to specific historical sites around Trondheim. The Nidaros Cathedral, ancient trading posts, and mysterious stone formations on nearby hills. Solveig listens intently, her expression shifting from skepticism to intrigue.
Aris explained his theory, that Trondheim, with its unique geography and rich Viking history, wasn't just a city, it was a node, a crucial point in an ancient, forgotten network of energy, activated by the very blue light that now enveloped them.
The drone, a sleek black shadow against the glowing blue sky, ascends high above Trondheim. Its lights pulse gently as it begins to scan the landscape, mapping electromagnetic anomalies. The city lights below twinkle like scattered diamonds.
Under the watchful eye of the blue hour, Aris began his work. The drone, his eye in the sky, was programmed to detect subtle fluctuations, anomalies in the Earth's magnetic field. Evidence, he hoped, of the ancient energy lines.
Solveig navigates a small boat through the icy waters of the Nidelva, the ancient wooden buildings of Trondheim's wharf reflecting in the glass-like surface. Aris takes readings with a portable sensor, his brow furrowed in concentration.
Days turned into a rhythm of exploration. Solveig, a master of the local waters, ferried him to hidden coves and ancient river crossings. Each journey brought them closer to the heart of the city's hidden history, and Aris closer to his elusive proof.
Aris and Solveig are inside the Nidaros Cathedral, its massive stone arches and stained glass windows bathed in the soft, diffused blue light filtering through the high windows. Aris points to an intricate carving, a symbol he recognizes from his research.
Within the solemn grandeur of the Nidaros Cathedral, Aris found a crucial piece. A symbol, carved into an ancient stone, resonated with the star charts in his journal. A symbol not just of faith, but of cosmic alignment, hidden in plain sight for centuries.
The Elder of Nidelva, a figure cloaked in dark furs, emerges from the shadows near the cathedral. Their ancient eyes fix on Aris, a knowing gaze. They offer a gnarled piece of wood, intricately carved with the same symbol Aris found.
As if summoned by the unfolding mystery, a figure emerged from the depths of Trondheim's oldest alleys. The Elder of Nidelva, a keeper of ancient lore, offered a cryptic gift, a warning, perhaps, or an invitation to a deeper truth.
Aris examines the carved wood, a faint pulse of energy emanating from it. Solveig looks on, a mixture of awe and apprehension on her face. The blue light seems to intensify around them.
The Elder's gift pulsed with faint energy, a resonance that perfectly matched Aris's readings. It was undeniable, tangible proof that his theory was not just hypothesis, but a living, breathing connection to a forgotten past.
Aris and Solveig trek through the snow-covered hills surrounding Trondheim, the landscape becoming more rugged and isolated. The blue hour paints everything in shades of deep indigo and silver.
The path now led them away from the city's familiar embrace, into the colder, snowier microclimates of the hills. The Elder's clues, whispered in ancient tongue, directed them to a place where the earth itself held a memory of the cosmos.
They discover a hidden cave entrance, partially obscured by snow and ancient ice. Inside, faint pictographs adorn the walls, depicting celestial bodies and geometric patterns, glowing faintly in the blue light.
Deep within a hidden grotto, they found it, a cave adorned with luminous pictographs. Astronomical charts, ancient star maps, and geometric patterns dance on the walls, resonating with the very fabric of Aris's once ridiculed theory.
Aris sets up his equipment inside the cave, the sensors detecting powerful energy spikes. He calibrates a unique device, a small, crystalline prism, which he places at the center of the cave.
The readings here were off the charts, confirming this was a powerful energy nexus. Aris positioned his crystalline prism, a focal point designed to channel and amplify the ancient energies he believed were dormant here.
The blue hour outside intensifies, casting an almost otherworldly glow. Inside the cave, the pictographs brighten, and the crystalline prism begins to hum, emitting a soft ethereal light that pulses in sync with the sky outside.
As the blue hour reached its zenith, a breathtaking spectacle unfolded. The cave walls shimmered, the ancient symbols pulsing with renewed life. The prism, now fully activated, resonated with an energy far beyond anything Aris had imagined.
A powerful, focused beam of blue light erupts from the prism, piercing through a fissure in the cave ceiling, ascending directly towards a specific point in the blue hour sky. Solveig watches, mesmerized, or replacing her earlier skepticism.
Then a torrent of blue light, pure and incandescent, burst forth from the prism. It shot skyward, a beacon connecting Earth to cosmos, fulfilling a prophecy etched into the very stones of time. Solveig, witnessing this impossible event, was utterly captivated.
The blue beam of light stretches into the sky, revealing faint, shimmering outlines of a massive ancient structure above Trondheim, barely visible against the blue backdrop. It's a dormant, colossal energy grid, now subtly illuminated.
For a fleeting moment, the blue light unveiled a secret long hidden. A colossal, ancient energy grid, an ethereal web woven into the very fabric of Trondheim's landscape, a testament to a civilization far more advanced than history recorded.
Aris, tears welling in his eyes, stares at the illuminated grid, his hands trembling. He has proven his theory. Solveig places a comforting hand on his shoulder, sharing in his profound moment of triumph.
Aris had done it. He had not only proven his impossible theory, but had touched a hidden wellspring of universal knowledge. The vindication was overwhelming, not just for his career, but for his very soul.
The blue light slowly recedes as the blue hour begins to fade, the ancient grid once again becoming invisible. Aris and Solveig stand in the now dim cave, changed by their experience, a shared understanding in their eyes.
As the blue hour waned, so too did the spectacular display. The ancient grid retreated into its hidden dormancy, a secret once more veiled by the everyday world. But for Aris and Solveig, nothing would ever be the same.
Months later, Aris, now reinstated and revered, presents his findings to a captivated scientific community. Solveig stands proudly beside him, no longer just a guide, but a co-discoverer. The blue hour over Trondheim, though distant, seems to smile upon their triumph.
Aris's discovery, once dismissed, now hailed as groundbreaking, reshaped scientific understanding. He stood vindicated, but more importantly, transformed. And in the heart of Trondheim, under the silent watch of the blue hour, a new chapter of human history had just begun.